In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sheets. Whether you're new to Google Sheets or just need a refresher, these simple steps will help you navigate and utilize this powerful tool for any spreadsheet needs you might have. Let's begin by opening Google, the gateway to all things online. Simply launch your browser and head over to Google's homepage. Once you're there, look towards the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You'll notice 9 small dots arranged in a grid-like pattern. This is sometimes referred to as the Google Apps icon, and it serves as a direct gateway to all Google services. Give those dots a gentle click. Now that you've opened the Google Apps menu, a selection of services will drop down. Scan through the available apps until you spot Google Sheets. Click on it, and a new window will open, bringing you straight to the Google Sheets homepage. Here, you have the flexibility to start with a blank sheet if you're looking to create something from scratch. Alternatively, you can explore and utilize a variety of templates available, catering to different needs such as budgeting or project management. Select the option that best suits your task. At this point, it's good to remember that you can also access Google Sheets through Google Drive, which acts as a digital storage box for all your Google files. Go back to that Google Apps menu if you wish and select Google Drive. Once inside your drive, you can quickly create a new Google Sheet by clicking on the New button. This approach is especially handy if you're organizing related documents in a single Drive folder. Once your new sheet is open, you have the opportunity to personalize it. The first thing you might want to do is give your sheet a name, making it easier to identify later. Simply click on Untitled Spreadsheet at the top left and type in whatever you want to name it. Now let's talk about data entry. Click any cell to begin typing your data. If you're working with lists or sequences, such as entering the months of the year, simply type January in one cell and then drag the small blue square that appears at the bottom right corner across adjacent cells. Google Sheets is smart enough to continue the sequence for you. Highlighting and coloring cells can help keep things organized. To emphasize important information or create effective headings, select the desired cells and add a splash of color by clicking on the Fill Color tool that looks like a little paint bucket. Finally, sharing your sheet is as easy as a click. Look for the Share button in the top right corner. By clicking it, you'll be prompted to enter email addresses of those you wish to share the document with. This feature is perfect for collaborative projects and team-based tasks. Now you're ready to start leveraging Google Sheets for all your data needs. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.